everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. And today I will be making strawberry, pineapple with a hint of ginger and honey, natural healthy juice. And I am about to start. So I've just finished cut up all my pineapple. I'm using one whole pineapple and it's all ready to go into my blender. And I'm just going to give my strawberry a quick rinse. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of honey for my finishing touch. The fruits are already sweet, so we don't need a lot of honey. This is just a little finishing touch. And I am going to add enough water just to cover my fruits. Do not add a lot of water because you will kill the flavor. And we want, when we're drinking this juice, we want to taste all the flavor. So that water is enough and it's all looking good. I'm going to switch my blender on and wow, it's all looking good. Remove it. Then I'm gonna Looking really good, looking really thick and rich. You can see that it's going to be really nice. So I am about to strain my juice. All my fruits are blending really nicely, and it's coming out nicely through my strainer. I really enjoy making these juice, and I'm so happy to know that I can share my recipe with others so they can also enjoy their juice and live a healthy lifestyle. I really enjoy sharing because sharing is caring, and I am a very caring person, so that's why I am sharing my recipe. I really love strawberry and pineapple. This is one of my favorite juice. Just giving my jug a quick rinse. And I'm just gonna strain my juice one more time to make sure all the bits are out. This is looking really good. I know I'm gonna enjoy this juice. I can tell by the way how it looks. just going to give it a quick stir. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, that is looking really, really good. I'm just going to pour some of the ice and then I'm going to have a taste and tell you exactly what I think. Wow. Oh, you can see the richness in this juice. Oh my God. Wow. Really nice. I can taste the fruity pineapple and the strawberry with a hint of ginger. They all combine together and this juice is tasting very, very nice. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely weekend. Love you guys loads. Bye. I'm out.